So first step, you need to grab the small pot of flour and just lightly dust the surface. So step 2, grab one of the doughs and bring it out of the container, laying it on the flat surface. What you need to do here is use the tips of your fingers to press in the middle. So you can see this here, and what you want to do is form a crust on the outside. These are going to aim to make 10-inch pizza bases. So once you've done the first top section, just flip it round and go again, using the tips of your fingers, pressing and pushing it down flat. You might need to do this 2 or 3 times until it's all pressed out and you've got a crust on the edge. So step 3, you need to stretch out the dough using the sides only. So use a circular rotation method using your fingers on the edge of the crust. You want to hold it for about 1 to 2 seconds, let it sort of dangle down and then just keep rotating. So step 4, you need to lay the pizza base ideally in a dry non-stick frying pan that is hot. We've got it on setting 8, and what you need to do then is take your sauce and add 2 to 3 tablespoons of pizza sauce around the centre. You want to leave a slight edge and that will form your crust. So step 5, as the pizza's cooking, you want to add the topping. So sprinkle some Parmesan. Again, you can do this to flavour, but there's enough in the pot for 2 pizzas. Once you've done that, you want to add your basil. Again, you want to look to add the 2 leaves just in the centre of the pizza. Once you've done that, you add your Fior Latte mozzarella. Again, in the pot, there's enough for 2 pizzas there. So you can use about half of what's in the pot. You want to keep this cooking for about 90 seconds to 2 minutes. So what you'll start to see now as the pizza's cooking for sort of 90 seconds, you can see the crust is rising, so that's all the air bubbles coming through, leaving you a nice, thick, chewy crust. So step 6, this is about 90 seconds to 2 minutes in. You want to get the spatula, and when you see a slight brown base on the bottom, that's when you know it's cooked, and you can start to transfer it to the grill. So step 7, place the frying pan under the grill, ideally on the highest shelf. And you need to allow to cook for around 1 to 2 minutes or until the crust is taking colour. So step 8, take it out of the grill and place it down on a flat surface, and you want to allow to cool for up to 1 minute and then you can enjoy it. There you go guys, that's our video tutorial on how to make the Dojo's pizza kit at home from the very man himself. Please tag your creations using @UrbanVillagePizza and #MyDojos. The best looking pizza and the best creation we're going to pick at the end of lockdown and give you a £50 cash voucher to spend at your favourite restaurant. Also, we're going to donate £1 to every kit sold over lockdown to Mine Charity. We just want to say thank you very much for the support, and we hope to see you again soon or around Worcester and the Midlands at our pop-ups. Cheers guys.